Hello everyone, welcome to this channel once again. My name is Felix Bliss. Today I'm going to show you how you can apply mag effect in Photoshop. How you can convert these images or this picture to this effect in Photoshop. Without much ado, let's start. So the first thing you are going to do is we are going to use two methods for this effect. Two methods. So you either choose one of them, okay? The one you think it is easy for you, okay? So in this tutorial, I will open up my Photoshop. After opening the Photoshop, I will then open first deal with the template. So I will look for my template, okay? So mark effects, okay? So I'll look for this template, okay? Then I will open up this template. After opening up this template, what I'm going to do is I will extract this template, okay? So I will extract it to desktop. It will ask me of the password, then I will enter the password for this template. Okay, so after extracting it, now let me go back to desktop. So desktop, this is desktop. So I will look for mag effects. So the first thing I'm going to use is I'm going to use the template, the PSD file. So I'll open this PSD file. Then we have this. So as you can see, this is the effect, and then this is the original picture. So this is the original picture, and then this is the effect. Okay, so if you want to use your picture for it, okay, don't delete these pictures. Don't delete them. They are smart objects, so don't delete them. So what you can do is double click the first, this one, the mark effect one. Double click on it. After that, what you are going to do is just import your picture. Okay, so I will look for my picture. So I will import this pregnant woman for this tutorials. Okay, then you can flatten it, or don't even flatten it. Okay, don't flatten it, so that next time you can use it again. So delete the bottom layer, okay, the default image, delete it, and then press on Control F to save it. Now let's go back to our main work. So look at, this is the effect. So look at before and then after. Before, after. If you like it, just click on the like button and then subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to give you more actions for you to practice around. Okay, so this one you don't need to learn how to do this, how to do this. The actions are there. All you need to do is just download the template and you are gone. Just download the template. You are free to do it on your own without any hassle. Okay, I have already done everything for you. So what we are going to do now is, from here, if you don't want to apply this effect, okay, let's say we don't want to use this template, we want to use the actions, okay, I can delete this effect, okay, then I will go in for actions and then look for the mag effect. So action, so this is the action, okay. We have so many ways of importing action. So one of the simplest way you can import an action is that just drag this action, okay, just drag this action and then place it on actions in Photoshop. Just place it here. Assuming you don't have actions here, all you need to do is go to Windows, then look for actions, Alt F9 to activate it. Then you get this action, you get this icon there. When you are done, go back for the action, mag effect action, then drag it to the side. When you drag it, you get something like this. Please don't check this. If you check this, it means you go through all the process on how we created this mag effect. So if you want to learn how we did that, then you can check this and hit on the play button. So don't toggle that one off. But if you want to learn how we did it, then you can toggle it on and then you follow along. But I'm not going to toggle it on, so I'll leave it like that. Then I'll click on this small arrow. Then from here, what I'm going to do now is I'll select this. Then after selecting this, I'll click on the play button. Okay, and then I'll press on continue. And then we are done. So but I did something wrong. Before I should apply the effect, I needed to make a duplicate of it. So what you need to do is before you do it, let me go back to make a copy of this. Okay. Then I will apply the effect. Okay. So now we have the effect here. So I can take this one out of the folder. Easy. All you need to do is just import your picture, make a copy of it, then import the action. Click on the action and you are done. But if you think the template is very easy for you, you download the template as well. And then you just change the picture, you save it, and then you are free to go. So for me, I like the template more than the actions. What do you think? If you like this video, please subscribe and then we will give you more. So this is how you can create mark effects in Photoshop. Thank you.